My channel is Empress Up. And now if you've not subscribed, please do because it's free to subscribe. So today I'm going to do a lot of Q&As and it has to do with collagen. I've taken the powder, the tablets, and I guess it's the hype, the buzz, the jazz of the moment. So a lot of ladies definitely want to try it because it has a lot of benefits for our skin, and who wouldn't want to slow down aging and wrinkles? So even though we cannot avoid them, we can definitely do something about them. And collagen has come in to really help. So I'm not going to talk about what collagen is because I have reviews and I've talked about what they are and their benefits in those videos. I'll link them below. But today I'm going to answer as many questions as I can regarding collagen because I've had a lot of questions. Now let me start off with our basic perception of what skin toning is when it comes to Ghanaians. A lot of Ghanaian ladies want to tone their skin. Now the situation that comes up is, are you bleaching or you just want glow? And you realize that a lot of ladies want the glow, and so it translates into trying to find that product that will help with the glow. But again, some associate their toning with the glow, and so it's a bit difficult when you're trying to explain what collagen does because they're expecting their skin color to lighten and brighten, and at the same time they want the glow. This is the first thing I'm going to say. Does collagen bleach your skin? No. It does not bleach your skin. It's not meant to bleach your skin. It won't do that. You'll be surprised to know that a lot of ladies think that collagen is supposed to help bleach from the inside like gluta, but it doesn't do that. What collagen does is to help with the elasticity, the stretchiness of your, is that even a word? The stretchy thing, okay, parts of your skin, the stretchy nature. That is what it helps with, and that is what causes the wrinkles because as your collagen level goes down, then you're going to have less elasticity, and then the wrinkles and the sagging skin will come in. So what the collagen does is to reinforce what is in your body and help slow down the impact of such depletion, or even help against depletion, right? That is a basic concept. So collagen will not bleach your skin. It's not for that. Question number 2: which one is better, tablets, pills, capsules, or powder? I always say it's individual preference. If you like capsules and tablets, go for it. If you don't mind mixing the powder with your juices, go for it. The powder is tasteless, so I definitely would say that it's easy to take the powder because just mix one scoop and that's it for the day. The tablets, for almost all the collagen, you have to take more than 2 a day, which can be a hassle. And even though personally I've found that the tablets seem to work faster for me than the powder, but it's a matter of preference. They are all effective. It's just potato, whichever one you want to take. Some will like the tablets because they just pop it in and they're gone. Some will like it in their juices, whatever rocks your boat. Question number 3: how long does it take to see the effect of collagen? Now, what I would say is, even with the clinical trials and all the testing these companies going to do, they always tell you that results will vary from the individuals because we have different genetic makeup. So what will work for me in 1 week may not be the same for you in a week, but on the whole, you will definitely notice the changes in your skin if you really know how your skin is. Because I'm so in tune with my skin, any change in it becomes very, very obvious to me. So if you're in tune with your skin, you would see any change or difference in it. So the other thing, or the other key thing, is most of the collagen supplements are to be taken for 30 days. So that means that after 30 days, you would be able to notice any change in your skin. Number 4, right? Another question I get when it comes to the collagen is, let me frame it this way so I don't sound a bit off. When you take collagen, must you continue to take it? So long as your collagen production levels are low, yes, especially since it's claimed that it's good to take it after 30 years, you can continue taking once you've done at least 1 bottle. Now, this is what I say. It's better to have maintenance than doing curative steps. Maintenance, as in if you take it and you see the results, just keep on taking it. You may not take it every day. You might probably do it once, twice, 3 times a week, but just maintain the results so that your skin gets the benefit. And the reason is most people are looking for the magic. 1 month they think their skin is okay, so that is it. Others also feel like they need to see the magic within 1 day. They've taken one scoop and boom, they get the results. It's not like that. And that's why I'm being careful here, because the expectations of people can be so high. Sometimes it's quite difficult for you to get in tune with the reality. Okay, telling them the reality doesn't sink in. They have this fantasy, this ideal situation already fixed in their mind that taking the collagen is going to revert everything, every damage, every sagging issues they have. And so once they start taking it, they're expecting those results, and drugs and all those supplements don't work that way. So yeah, that is it. Another thing I would say about the collagen, other eyes doesn't interact with or interrupt other medicines. If you're on any medication, you would definitely have to check in with your doctor. If you're not on any medication and you're taking it, it's always safer that way, because you know nothing is coming into contact with what you're taking. However, if you have allergies, you also need to be very careful with the type of collagen or the brand you're taking, because even though it might say bovine and all of that, sometimes where it's processed also matters. So you find companies writing produced in a facility that also produces soy, wheat based products. So the caution is always there. So check it out before you purchase it if you have allergies. So even though it's good for everybody, you need to know yourself before you take it. The next question about collagen, when it comes to getting thicker hair, I've always said that collagen gives me thicker hair. That I always say. It helps my hair when it comes to thickness. With growth, my hair grows very well on its own, so I'm always not so much worried about that one. But thickness is always a challenge for me when I relax my hair, and collagen does that. However, if you have naturally thin hair, this is where I always say that one supplement will not give you everything you need. So if you're taking collagen with the hope that your hair is going to get thicker, I might let me just be honest and say it might not be like that for you, because we have a lot of underlying factors for thin hair. I know why mine might be a bit thin when it comes to relaxing it. You need to figure out why your hair is thin, especially for those with natural hair. If your hair is naturally thin, it's either genetics or something else is going on in your body. With relaxed hair, it's always hard to tell, because the relaxer already makes the hair soft and smooth and straight, so it's always hard to tell what might be the cause. But again, you need to check your body before you take in the collagen and get disappointed. Next question, can men take it? Definitely. I do have a lot of male customers who also take it, and there are collagen supplements for men. Some brands like Your Theory, hope I got the name right, has collagen for men. So yes, men can take collagen, and they also get the same benefit. So it doesn't matter your sex or gender. When you take collagen, it's going to have the same impact. One thing though, we have different genetic makeup. So if your boyfriend, husband is taking collagen and he's experiencing glowing skin and all that, do not get envious. Yours might just take a while. The last question when it comes to collagen, do we have collagen from different sources? Yes, we do. I've even chanced on vegan collagen. So the companies are catering for our different needs. So you don't have to struggle to take a particular collagen because you want to get a benefit. They do have varieties for everyone, and I'm happy that they have the vegan ones too. As to how they are, I haven't tested those ones, but I will. So yes, collagen comes in different forms and different sources. So if I think I've spoken about this before, if you're Muslim, you check for where the source is. If you're Buddhist, all those things, whatever you don't take, like the bovine, the cow, yeah, you might check the source. Just be sure you're not taking something contrary to your belief. So these are some of the questions I've had about collagen. If you have more, you can drop them. I'll answer them. This is from my lay perspective. I'm no scientist. I'm just telling you based on my experience. And also be sure to subscribe because I'm going to do a review of a product that a lot of ladies are waiting for me to do. Stay blessed, nothing less. Bye bye.